I'm at the zoo with the kids. And my wife is running a marathon in Rome, and she said to me, if you get to 1,000 subs, we'll do a pizza run in the BMW i3S. Now what is important to know is that she doesn't like road tripping in the i3S. We've welcomed a lot of new subscribers in the past month. There were like 80 of you in 3 films. But what I've also seen is that 90% of the people that watch my films aren't subscribed. So if you want to help this channel forward, please do. Because what I will do in return is when we get to 1,000 is I will drive to Italy for a pizza run. The idea is to drive from Enschede to the closest border with Italy, stay there for a day to eat a pizza and return home. If you drive from Enschede to the south of Germany on the Munich side and you just cross in over the Brenner into Italy, it's only around 900 kilometers. So pizza run is really fine achievable. And with the weather getting better, it's getting even easier. So the idea is now to just cross from Austria into Italy to the Dolomites and then just eat a pizza and return home. And that all, of course, in the BMW i3. So if that's something you want to see on this channel, please subscribe. Please help me forward. And I will make good on my promise within 1 month of crossing past the 1,000 subscriber threshold. Thanks for watching.